Are you scared with the dentist? I bet you when you were young, you had a bad experience with a dentist. I'm Dr. Myrna Lazaga here in San Diego, California. Today we're going to talk about pediatric dentistry. We get a lot of questions from that because a lot of our patients that had a bad experience when they were young. And so today we're going to get through these topics so that to help you better understand what is pediatric dentistry. Pediatric dentistry is a specialized part of a dentistry wherein the doctor or the dentist is board certified that they take care of children with especially with the special needs or children that have difficulty as far as treatment that they have. Let's say, for example, when a kid come to my office has a lot of decay, I would refer that child to a pediatric dentistry so they can do it all in once because they can better handle the treatment with them. The difference between pediatric dentist and regular dentist is pediatric dentist specializes on kids or children between about a year old to maybe 9 or 10. It depends when the kid usually gets tired of being treated as a child and they want to look like a big boy or big girl now. They want to go to a regular dentist, which is a general dentist. But the procedure is almost pretty much the same. Of course, with the pediatric dentist, they have special technique to help the kids cooperation and to make it more comfortable and better experience for the child. The moment that you notice your child has teeth in their mouth, it's good idea to have it checked by a pediatric dentist because to minimize it from getting out of control by having rampant decay by the time you noticed it. So the sooner that you can bring the child to the pediatric dentist, that would be great. The benefits of seeing a pediatric dentist, so that way the child would have a better experience. That dentists are not really scary folks. They're there to help. I remember one of the child that I have, a child patient of mine, he came into the office and he said, I don't understand why people are scared with the dentist. They just want to help. I think I was, I told the kid, I said, wow, you're so smart. So I was impressed. It made my day. Pediatric dentist provides almost the same as the regular dentist. They do extractions, they do fillings, they do crowns as well, and they do like baby root canal on a baby teeth. A pediatric dentist can give you tips, instructions on how the child or you as a parent with the child together to work together to develop, good habits in good oral hygiene. Because the bottom line is we can always recommend you, give you tips, but the bottom line is you gotta have to implement it at home and the child doesn't automatically do it. So as parents, you will help your child develop that good habits of good oral hygiene. The kids can go to pediatric dentist as long as they want, but most of the time I see kids from pediatric dentist around like 9 years old to 10 years old because they tell their parents, I want to see a regular dentist because I'm a big boy now, a big girl now. To look for a pediatric dentist, first of all, make sure that that dentist is a pediatric dentist, is a board certified pediatric dentist, and of course, child friendly, and that they have welcoming and warm office. And that the other thing nowadays is check on their Google review. A pediatric dentist makes child's experience in their dental visit because they have some technique that will help the child, especially those that are like special needs, that they'll be comfortable. they are trained to take care of those special needs children. Pediatric dentists are, yes, they are trained in those special needs kids like autistic child or children. And definitely every time I would have a patient that I cannot handle, like a child that I couldn't handle, I would refer it to pediatric dentist. When you have checked around in your area who are the pediatric dentists, you can call that office. Or if you have a regular dentist and you get your child to that regular dentist can refer you to those pediatric dentists that they worked with. Again, I hope I answered all your questions. But if you do have additional questions, please feel free to call our office at 619-477-0570. And we're looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.